everyone, I'm John. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Glad to see all of you again. Today, we are going to do a simple breathing exercise. Using the power of breathing, you're able to calm your anxiety and balance your mood, and most importantly, to relieve your stress. What are you going to do? Very simple. Only few steps. Follow me. First of all, close your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relieve and close your left nostril. Exhale through your right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat the whole process for several times. Practice for 5 minutes in the morning together with your usual meditation or mindfulness activity. You may also practice this if you are nervous before presentation or a sales call to calm down yourself, realigning or recentering your mindset, attention, and focus. Let us know how effective was this practice to calm your anxiety, balance your mood, and also relieve your stress. Do well, stay well.